Hey guys, this is Harshvardhan, and in this video I'll show you how to send Binance Coin BNB to your Metamask wallet. And if you don't have BNB, you will have to transfer cryptocurrency to an exchange. And in order to do so, you will have to find the right address where you have to send your Bitcoin or Ethereum or USDT. And once you have that, head on to the exchange, find the BNB pair. I had some Tether USDT. I went there and traded my USDT for some BNB. As you can see, I already have some BNB now. And now I want to transfer this BNB to my Metamask wallet. So first of all, I'll go to my Metamask. As soon as it opens up, click here and copy your address to the clipboard. Once it's copied, it will prompt you that the address is now copied. Now go to your wallet. Once you are here, go to your fiat and spot. By the way, if you are not using Binance, if you are using something like Coinbase Pro or some other platform like KuCoin, the interface should be very similar and the process is identical. Once you are on your wallet, click on withdraw. I am going to withdraw Binance Coin BNB, so I select that. It just detected I had 0.1 BNB, which is just a test amount. I'll paste the address here where I want the BNB to go. As you can see, I only have 0.17 in this wallet. If I paste it, it will detect that it's BEP20 or BNB Smart Chain Network. Make sure the Binance Smart Chain and the BNB Smart Chain BEP20 matches up. Once you are happy, select max and click on withdraw. Confirm after you are sure the address and the network matches up. Once you are good to go, click on confirm. Now it's just a security check from Binance. It will email you a verification code, a phone number and an authenticator code. I'll do that and I'll come back when it's done. Alright, so I have submitted my withdrawal and within a few minutes I'll get my BNB. Now let's head back to my Metamask. As you can see, I have 0.17 BNB. Now it should change to 0.27 shortly. BNB withdrawals are usually fast, and within 5 to 10 minutes you'll get that. Most of the BNB transfers take less than 2 minutes. Alright, so as you can see, the BNB has now arrived in my wallet. You just have to make sure the address is correct. If you click here, the address will be copied to the clipboard. Make sure the network from here and the one from where you were withdrawing from Binance, that matches up. If you send to the wrong address or to the wrong network, your deposit will be lost. So always double check. A good practice is to check the last 4 digits of your wallet address and make sure they match up. For example, this test wallet has EC19, so I'll make sure it matches up there and the network is the right one. And here we have it, the BNB is in my wallet.